coming classes. The first one is identity. What is identity? The question is this, you can listen as well. This is for you. What is identity? Identity is simple question, who are you? Sometimes if I am giving a very limited answer, I said I am a man, male is my identity. This is a very limited answer. Sometimes you would say I belong to a Khadak family, so Khadak family is my identity. I am a teacher, I am a doctor, I am an engineer, so my profession is my identity. Depends on your position. Whenever you will explain or you define yourself, everything you are going to define yourself known as your identity. Some people are very polite. Their politeness is their identity. Are you getting my point? So this is identity.
So personality.
Yes, you don't need to remember anything. You just have an idea what is identity. Whenever we talk about identity, I won't say you are going to explain that I am a man, I am a woman. No, this is not identity. Sharis is not your identity. You can find so many sharis right now in Islamabad. Okay? You have an identity. You are a male. Okay, fine. I belong to a Khadak family. Okay? I am a man, for example, who belongs to that particular region. Whenever you go outside and say I belong to Pakistan, at that time Pakistan is my identity. So depends and vary from your different life stages. The next is status. Your social position in the society. As I told you that I am a teacher, this is my status in the society. You won't say that I am a man and this is my status in the society. No. You have to link yourself with some kind of a status, some kind of a social position. Yes, student is your status in the society. I am a student, I am a IGCSE student, I am a AS-ALevel student. This is my identity. This is my social status, not identity. Identity, but this is something different from identity. The next is role. Pattern of behavior. What is my role? Status could be something elite status, bottom status, middle status. Status could be anywhere. Role. What is your role? My role in the society is I am a student, I am a teacher. Now see, everything's defining your identity. Your status, your role, everything defining your identity. You have to keep in mind. They will again ask you, give us perspective about the identity. Okay? This is your question in AS as well. Are you getting my point? Identity, status, role. The last three terms we have value, norms, belief. We already have discussed what are the values. Standard used to distinguish between acceptable and unacceptable. For example, being honest. Shariz, you can even expect from yourself that you are going to slap someone who is older than you. Can you do that intentionally? No, you can't expect. Okay? You can't even think, and you won't expect from Hamza as well. If Hamza do this, you would say this man shouldn't do this like this.
So no, there's a feminist. Okay, don't care how old she is.
We will explain them later. We are just explaining what is the value. They don't have a values, by the way. We are explaining about values.
Yeah.
What is acceptable? Okay, the difference between acceptable and the non-acceptable, unacceptable. This is known as the values. And the norms. Norms is your behavior, not behavior, your beliefs. And I believe in God.